Ready?
Yeah,
Are you sure?
I'm pretty sure.
Are you ready?
Hit me!
All right.
I wasn't ready.
Yeah.
I'm ready now.
Be quiet.
The film's about survival, and we're following dinosaurs through different challenges through their life.
There are things out here called meat eaters.
Exactly, and you, my friend, are made up almost entirely of meat.
Hey, put me down! I am not a chew toy! Good thing my dad showed up.
The young Pachyrhinosaur is the star of the film.
I'm not scared of him. What's he gonna do?
Patchy is the runt of the litter. He is a Pachyrhinosaurus.
Hey, what's going on up there? That's...
He's sort of led by curiosity, very inquisitive, adventurous.
Wow.
His life is absolutely action-packed.
Hey there, name's Patchy. Wanna be friends? Ow! Ow, get it up!
From day one, the odds are stacked against him.
Safety in numbers.
What's safe about this? I almost got stepped on.
Whatever he lacks in size, he more than makes up for in pluck and sass.
Friend or foe? Definitely foe.
Can he survive in this world? Will this guy make it?
He faces many challenges, though, even after he becomes an adult.
He's the unlikely hero.